Good morning, Koy. Good morning, Koy, Koy. Hi, Fishy, Fishy. Ooh, you're so beautiful. Look at you. Good morning. Ooh, showing off sila. So beautiful. Morning, Koy, Koy. Ayan, si Maria na naman ang manunungkit. Kasi mahulog yung ulo. Wow. Oh, mayroon na. See? Sige. Baba, sige. Aray! Ayun, oh, dami, oh. Aray, lamok. Ay, bilat mo. Mayan. Diri ka, usog ka gap.
Lady of the food. There she is. Mango, calamansi, lemon, ang palaya, and what is that?
Cashew nuts.
Cashew nut. Okay.
My God, that's a lot of fruits. Cashew nuts. May ampalaya kami, may mangga, may calamansi. My God, that's a lot of fruits. Cashew nuts. May ampalaya kami, may mangga, may calamansi. So beautiful. Ganda. Yeah. Waiehu. Now we're gonna climb up the mountain again. Look how beautiful. Look at that house. Yeah, no. So beautiful. Now we're going down.
Jessica, you should see lanay. Oh my God, ang lanay, ang pine tree matataas pa dyan. One day, guys.
There we go. Look at it. Oh my God, look at the view. I can drive by here every day. Look at that. Oh my God. Ocean, the ocean. We're on Waiehu Station. It's so pretty. Thank you, Sister Maria. Wow. Mga agaw. Suroy na mo din kay Eric, Nay, Dana, ganyan. Agaw, Justina, Benben. No trespassing. Mapulis tayo.
Kasama ko si Respect yan.
Henry, Myla, Judith. Come over again to my